so niggas get lost. Baby, come here, hit the floor. All y'all niggas better beware, cause I'm coming for yours. With money involved, I look at it all. Baby, you know that I'm next.
Hi my brand babies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this burgundy fall glam look, and I hope you guys like it. So let's get started. I'm going to start off by using Scope from the Morphe 39A palette as my transition color. You'll see me going back and forth with this color to make sure all my shadows are blended together throughout this video. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Evolve from the same palette, and I'm going to apply that directly below my transition color. And this is just to add a little bit more depth and more of an orange tone. Instead of using orange, it creates more warmth to the eye look. Next, to deepen up the the shadow or the eye, I'm going to go in with this color called Mask from the same palette, and I'm going to apply that mostly to my outer crease and blend it inward. Going back in with Scope, I'm going to make sure those shadows are blended together and more seamlessly. And I'm just going to use a more fluffier brush to make sure that's blended out. With a more tapered blending brush, I'm going to make sure I apply Mask again because I lost a little bit of the color. I'm going to apply that again. For the lid shade, I'm going to use the color Jax from the Morphe Jaclyn palette. And this is a burgundy shade, and I'm just gonna pack that on and make sure that I go back in and blend it out with the other shades. You want to make sure this is as seamless as possible because it does look, when you pack it on first, it looks very not cohesive. So you want to make sure you go back in with the shade Evolve to blend that out. And then on top of Evolve, you want to make sure you use Scope to blend Evolve out. If that makes any sense. I hope that makes sense, guys. So I'm just packing on and blending out again, packing on again, blending it out so I can make sure I keep the same pigment that I would like to have for that Jax shade, so that burgundy still comes through even after I blended the shades out. This look is all about blending. Now I'm gonna go in with the black eyeliner and apply that to my waterline. And I believe this is a LA color eye pencil, just in the shade black. To set that liner in place, I use either the black in the Jaclyn palette or the Morphe 39A palette. Either one is fine. I just use that to set that black shade in place. Now to blend out that black, I'm going to use Jax. So everything's going to look cohesive. I wanted to have the burgundy underneath my eye as well. So I just added Jax underneath the eye area. And I just use a more tapered blending brush for that. I'm going to go in with this Melt highlighter, and I'm going to apply that to my tear duct area and the brow bone. I'll leave the name for this product down below as well because I'm not sure what the name of it is, but it's very pretty. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Big Shot Mascara to apply to my lashes before I apply my falsies. The lashes that I'm going to be using today are 100% Mink hair lashes, and they're on the number 028. And I got these from IMAX. I really like them because they're very dramatic and good for a, you know, glam look. So they're really nice and pretty. For highlight today, I'm going to be going in with Maybelline Molten Gold, and I'm going to apply that to the highest points of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my Cupid's bow. For my lip, I'm just going to line my lips with the NYX Duo Lip Situation, and that is in the color Cookies and Cream. And for the star of the show, I'm going to go in with my Nitraab Matte Liquid Lipstick. And I'm going to use that as my lipstick today. Anyone who knows me knows I love Nitraab, so I had to pick this lipstick up. It smells good. It's moisturizing. It's not as dry as my like other lipsticks, liquid lipsticks that I have. All night and all day I had this on at work, and it never budged until I actually took it off. Which is when I had to eat, which you don't have to, but I like to take my lipsticks off when I eat. But this lipstick is the truth, and I freaking love it. So you guys to check it out. I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can grab it. It's only, I believe, 20 bucks, but you get like a $5 off coupon. So yeah, it's worth the buy. It's very inexpensive, so you guys should pick it up. Yep. So this is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys really like it. I really love this look and how it came together, you know. And let me know down below whether you guys want to see something different. Just comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.